that nigga Reed? Oh my God. What's up, boy?
Yo, man, what it do on this good old Monday? Martin Luther King, man, I want to say, man, I had a dream one day that I was going to see the age of 40, and I did. So what it do, world? About to head on to this little town called Arcadia, Florida. They said it goes down out there, so we finna head on out there to the country. So y'all stay tuned, let's see how I go out there. Ooh-wee! All right, y'all, we just touched down here in Arcadia, Florida, man. There's a lot of people out here in the little country town, man. A lot of people out here, man. But I'm gonna show y'all some more out here. Promote yourself.
Top with the good honey pot out here, trapping the spicy bowls and the drinks.
Tell what kind of drinks you got.
You know, I got the peach, the pineapple, the blue raspberry, the strawberry, plenty Jello shots. You know, we gonna get a bag.
How much they running?
Drinks $10 a piece, Jello shots 4 for the 10. You see, we got the pig feet. We real country in Katy. 13, the eggs for the 5. Shit, they done. Damn, they bought me out, but we out here today.
Let's get it, baby. Go
Hello.
ahead.
See Lemonade, yep. This is my daughter's business, but if y'all need any parties, get with me, Arcadia, Florida. But I shoot to you. Love my Aunt Riley. Facebook, LaQuelle Jones, phone number 863-303-1472.
Let's get it. They got the spot out here, man. They out here hanging out. They out here hanging out. They out here hanging out. Got the click over here.
Hey, girl.
What's our time? Go ahead. Seafood station out here and shit. Everybody loaded up around here. Yo. Got whoopies on wheel over there in the cut. Man, tell the folks where we at, man. Tell the folks where we at, man.
With it, Arcadia, Florida, the A, and to my Atlanta.
I don't know which one of them had a Mustang. Who was having a Mustang?
That was 9. You know, remember he had a white
Yeah, let me see, yeah. Uh-oh. Show me something. Can you do 2 in a row? And Arcadia, man, they got down here.
You walking cute like you.
Got the goons out. What up, boys? Got the boys out here. Yes, sir.
Oh, with the Duke, baby.
What up, man? You already know. Oh, what up, man?
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Not much. Got these sorry ass canes right here coming through. They got these canes here. Yeah. Got these canes here.
got these cranes here, goddamn. Hey, we got these cranes here. Yeah, we got these cranes here. Yeah. Look how she's standing. Look how she's standing, bro.